Hi friends, welcome to my channel where you will be learning accounts in easy and simple manner. I have taken a topic on basics of accounting which is very important for learning accounts. Let us see a small story on basics of accounting which will help us to ease understanding of today's topic.
Mr. X decided to start a company which is going to manufacture of automobile components with capital of 10 lakhs. Mr. X purchases building for 1 lakh, machineries for 2 lakhs, purchased raw materials for 3 lakhs to start manufacturing process. Mr. X spent 15,000 rupees for wages, 5,000 rupees for fuel as direct expenses, 20,000 rupees for salary, 5,000 rupees for office expenses as indirect expenses. Mr. X sold finished goods for 6 lakhs. Mr. X is thinking, does I made profit or loss? How do I know? This is the time Mr. X required accounting help. Accounts professional will help Mr. X by accounting his economic activities in journal and prepares financials for result of business. Mr. X profit and loss accounts looks as below he has got net profit of 255,000. Accounting has helped him to whether his business getting loss or profit. Here are uses of accounting. 1. Accounting helps to know the financial positions. 2. Accounting allow us to keep records systematic. 3. Accounting helps to get loans from banks. 4. Accounting will protect from frauds. 5. Accounting is the language of business. Accounting express reports to internal and external people.
Back to our topic, I have selected 6 main points to be discussed, like what is accounting, why does it required for organizations, how many types of accounts are there, what is trial balance and profit loss account, and balance sheet. So what is accounting? See, accounting is the process of recording, classifying and summarizing and reporting in systematic manner of economic transactions of organization. This is the simple definition. So we have 4 phases of accounting, like recording, classifying, summarizing and reporting. Let us discuss one by one. So recording, it is the first phase of accounting. All type of economic activities of accounting, like sales, purchases, receipts, payments. So here one example is that, no, if you are purchasing a asset, no, where we will be debiting asset and crediting to the supplier. Next, second one is classifying. Classifying is the process of, no, identifying and separating accounts into different type of accounts like assets, liabilities, income and expenses. If you take earlier example, no, where you have purchased one asset, asset will go to under asset column, supplier account will go under liabilities. This is the third phase of accounting. It is the process of putting the balances of all accounts into trial balance, like from recording and classifying. So trial balance will have debit balance of expenses and assets, in credit side income and liabilities. So and fourth one is reporting, no, where we will be showing company financial results to its stakeholders and public. So why do we call accounting is the, no, language of business, where financial reports will be shown to the its stakeholders and public. Point number 2, why does accounting is required for organizations and external people? Accounting plays a key role in running a business because it helps you to track what is income, what is expenditures. Accounting helps you to evaluate organization performance. Accounts reports help you to get loans from banks. It ensures no complaints are being maintained correctly with government organizations. It helps you to create budget and future projections. For external people like customer like would like to know, does company offers fair prices? Does company survive long? For suppliers, will the company is able to pay its dues? Yes, they become dues. Point number 3, types of accounts. There are 3 types of accounts are there: personal account, real account and nominal account. First one is personal account. It is related to persons and companies like Suresh account, ABC account. A rule for this account is debit the receiver and credit the giver. Second one, real account. This account is related to assets. Rule is here for this account: debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Third one, nominal account. This account is related to expenses and incomes. A rule for this account is debit all expenses and losses, credit incomes and gains. Point number 6, balance sheet. It shows what company owes to others at a specific point of time. You can see below is the one example of balance sheet. These are the main accounts. You can have sub accounts under capital account, like 1 or 2 3 people, under loans or term loans, OD accounts, under current liabilities, taxes to be paid, total creditors, under fixed assets, no, machineries, building can be there. Under current assets, no, debtors, fixed deposit can be there. Please do subscribe my channel and refer to your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.